Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Rimowa lock model and that you know the current combination. This matters because procedures differ by model. Once done, position the suitcase upright on a stable surface and clear the area. Use a flashlight to inspect the mechanism recess. Make sure to have a small flathead screwdriver ready. You will operate the dials and release tab, so keep fingers steady. Now, set the dials to the known code and locate the reset catch or button. You now put the lock into programming mode. Press and hold the reset catch or hidden button while the dials show the current code. This disengages the locking pawl so the code can change. Then, while holding the catch, rotate each dial to the new numbers you want. Do this slowly so you feel each number seat into place. Make sure to listen or feel for a click that indicates the mechanism accepted a new position, because that click is the confirmation that programming mode is active. Finish by releasing the reset catch gently. Do not force it. Once released, scramble the dials and then re-enter your new code to verify it opens smoothly. You want consistent operation across several tries. If it fails, repeat the reset process, check for dirt or bent components, and make sure you fully depress the reset catch during programming. Finally, write the new code down and store it elsewhere. This helps if you forget and avoids destructive opening attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.